Hello, today I wanted to show you that you can use the flight simulator from Google Earth. It is now built into the browser, so it's basically browser compatible. Let's put it that way. I have already pulled the whole thing up here. We are now flying over New York in this sense and have the option to move it using the corresponding key combinations. But let's go back again. How does it work? So I am now somewhere outside of New York. It can be anywhere in the world, and I can now say we just go to Tools, then to Flight Simulator, and then it switches to Flight Simulator mode. And now we have the option to actively influence it using the corresponding keys on your keyboard, namely the up, down, left, and right arrow keys, which provide full control. We also have the option, we see a small thrust info 50%, and with the page up and page down keys, we can influence that. I can now say, let's reduce the thrust, and we are currently flying over what we see here right now. We can theoretically record the whole thing quite nicely in an animation, and then use it for further analysis. That's not implemented like that right now, but that would of course also be possible. Yes, so just quickly, as I said, let's go back again. Here under Tools and then under Flight Simulator, this option is available. Attention, it's not like the Google Earth Pro version where you start from an airport, but no, it starts exactly where you defined it in Google Earth. So practically the city or whatever it may be. In front of it or from it, it starts automatically at that altitude. Yes, nicely done. It is just a quick, simple little simulator that runs directly out of your web browser, and you can use it quite easily for free. It is actually implemented in the standard version, and you can, like here now, theoretically crash, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to fly really close to the ground here, and then after the crash, you have the option to essentially start again right at that spot. Yes, that was a quick explanation that there is now also a flight simulator in Google Earth that you can use just normally in the browser. That's it for now. Until next time, take care, everyone.